Do you like to create your own DIY decor? I'm Larissa at Practical Pieces, and I totally love taking something cast off, old, making it new, making my own home, what I call creating my own home story. So if you've been following me, I've had a stash of cupboard doors given to me that were all brand new from different builds and custom kitchens that I no longer wanted. And I found the challenge to be fun, to find different uses for these cupboard doors. You can see all the projects on my blog, practicalpieces.com. Some I have shared here on YouTube, but feel free to check them out. Today I am focusing on this pair of white doors. They're not exactly the same, but they're pretty much square. And I was actually ready to get rid of this metal art that I had found at the thrift store. I was going to use it in garden art, but changed my mind, and I was about to donate it, and I thought, you know what, these kind of look like those cool old ceiling tiles, the tin ceiling tiles. And then I thought, oh, I think I have a couple of square doors in my stash. So I'm going to try to attempt to make some wall art using the cupboard doors, this here, some textured wallpaper, and show you how to do it and how to have some fun. So stick around. Wasn't that fun? Totally crazy that I had the right size cupboard doors in my stash and found these metal art. And really, I'm in love with the texture that they create. They remind me of those old tin ceiling tiles that you would see, even like the ones I installed in my family room ceiling. If you ever want to see that, it's over on the blog. Do you like it? Would you have done something different? I'm always anxious to hear your feedback. Leave me a comment below, tell me what you think. Also subscribe to my blog. You'll get some freebies and my newsletter free right in your inbox. Subscribe to my channel here on YouTube. I have so much more to share for you, and just excited to hear from you and show you what I'm up to. Until next time, come see me at practicalpieces.com. Bye!